Can you day trade crypto on crypto.com? Crypto.com is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide array of services, including the ability to trade various digital assets. For individuals interested in day trading, buying and selling assets within the same trading day to capitalize on short-term price movements, Crypto.com provides the necessary tools and features. The platform supports a diverse selection of cryptocurrencies, granting traders numerous options to execute their strategies. Additionally, Crypto.com offers a user-friendly interface and a mobile application, enabling traders to monitor the markets and execute trades conveniently. One of the significant advantages of using Crypto.com for day trading is its competitive fee structure. Lower fees can enhance profitability, especially for day traders who execute multiple transactions daily. Moreover, the platform emphasizes security, implementing measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage solutions to protect user assets. These security protocols are crucial in the crypto market, which has been susceptible to hacks and breaches. However, day trading on Crypto.com is not without its challenges. The cryptocurrency market is known for its high volatility, with prices capable of significant fluctuations within short periods. This volatility can lead to substantial profits, but also poses the risk of considerable losses. As noted in discussions among traders, many individuals fail at day trading due to impatience or succumbing to the fear of missing out, FOMO, which can result in impulsive decisions and financial losses. Another consideration is the time and effort required for successful day trading. It demands constant market monitoring, quick decision-making, and a deep understanding of market trends and technical analysis. For those unable to dedicate sufficient time or lacking experience, day trading can be particularly challenging. Furthermore, while Crypto.com offers various features, some users have expressed concerns about the platform's complexity, suggesting that it may not be the most suitable choice for beginners. In conclusion, Crypto.com facilitates day trading by providing a platform equipped with necessary tools, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and robust security measures. However, potential day traders should be aware of the inherent risks associated with the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market. Success in day trading requires significant time investment, discipline, and a solid understanding of market dynamics. Therefore, individuals should carefully assess their risk tolerance, experience level, and the amount of time they can commit before engaging in day trading on Crypto.com or any other platform.